Safe and fun, SereneLife round jump mat is made of heavy-duty polypropylene to ensure sustained bouncing and elasticity with safety measure at 36 in diameter. Assemble size at 36 by 32 from ground to top for super safe zone happy jumping. Padded handlebar and frame cover. The padded handlebar is 24-inch high that fits a user's height. Kids can use the handlebar for easy grip to control their bounce. The frame cover is also padded and spring-free that provides safer jump pad surface. Foldable and space saver. SereneLife elastic trampoline is both portable and foldable. Easy folding and designed to fit small spaces in the playground, gym or at home. Its convenient size lets you carry it from one spot to another without any hassle. Unique and durable, an ultimate rebounder sport and workout trainer to increase their strength and stamina. This heavy-duty trampoline has a durable construction and can support up to 150 pounds. Perfect fitness goal exercise for your child. Easy to assemble. We have detailed assembly instruction manual included. We listed each specific assembly step and all parts and show the steps in picture form. It also comes with free kit bag. Get your little kid a personal trampoline now. Top reviews from the United States. Tires out a very busy 2-year-old. I bought this trampoline for my granddaughter's 2nd birthday. Unfortunately, I haven't seen her in action yet, but my daughter tells me she loves it and it keeps her busy as often as her mommy or daddy can watch her. She can hold on to the railing no problem. She is average size for her age. And she caught on to using it on the first try. My daughter is carrying her 2nd child and this is a great help. She can just pull it out and sit on her sofa and watch our little one jump. Highly recommend. Very good value for the money and seems so far to be very good quality. Great exercise for little ones.